And it's been another record high for daily coronavirus cases and hospitalizations this weekend in Bexar County. Metro Health reported close to 800 new cases just last night. 2 new deaths were also reported, bringing the total to 107. There's also an increase in the number of people hospitalized. 730 patients are battling the virus in a hospital. That's an increase of 31 people from Friday night. And just after 7 last night, as soon as the new numbers were released, the city sent out an emergency alert to all residents. The alert was just like the type you get for an Amber Alert, but this one was urging people to stay home. The message also including a warning that hospitals are approaching capacity. The mayor quickly followed up with a video that he posted on social media.
Folks are throwing house parties and holding extensive social gatherings with neighbors, friends, and extended family. The spread of this virus isn't because of any one thing, so it's incumbent upon all of us to patronize businesses responsibly, hold virtual happy hours or online get-togethers with people outside of our households.
The city also sent out a statement following the coronavirus emergency alert. The mayor saying, quote, "This action is reserved only for emergencies and we have clearly reached emergency status." And across Texas, health officials reported another day of more than 5,000 new cases. Hospitalizations are also at a record high for nearly 2 weeks in a row.